On the show, Wendy Williams took a shot at the woman who's said to be her husband's ex-mistress. During her show Hot Topic segment, Wendy shared a clip from the documentary film Wendy Williams, What a Mess, which is set to follow the premiere of Wendy Williams the movie, this Sunday on Lifetime. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we'll be looking at how Wendy Williams exposes Kevin and his mistress. Yeah, you heard it right. So, let's start our video. Williams took time during the introduction of the documentary film to cast some shade on Sharina Hudson, whom she claims were her ex-boyfriend's Kevin's mistress. It was the first time that she had ever named her ex-claimed husband's lover on her show, and she didn't stop there. She went on to name other people as well. "Welcome to Hot Topic, Sharina Hudson," Wendy Williams said before sipping from her mug. She added, "Getting out of my car with my money." After that, Wendy gave the impression that she mentioned that the child that her ex-husband supposedly fathered was his purported longtime lover, who works as a massage therapist. "Good morning, Journey," Wendy said, adding, "She'll almost be 3, I think she'll be 3 next month. Don't you know?" Then, with a wicked grin, she concluded, "Good morning, Kelvin," emphasizing the legal spelling of Kevin Hunter's name before adding dismissively, "It's my truth." The event that led up to Wendy's divorce from Kevin are chronicled in the film, and it is at this time that she became one of the most talked about subjects in the entertainment industry. Wendy has stated that she was aware of his alleged cheating for many years, but the event that supposedly caused her to finally leave him was when he fathered a child with his mistress. Therefore, Wendy filed for divorce in April 2019 after being married to him for 22 years. This month, Wendy Williams said that she has not yet met Sharina's kid, telling Entertainment Tonight, "I don't want to know her." Wendy has also stated that she does not intend to meet Sharina's daughter. Wendy anticipates that she will run into Kevin at some point in her life, including at the college graduation of their son, who would be 20 years old at the time, but she anticipates that Kevin will not bring Sharina or their daughter with him. "His dad will always be his dad. I haven't seen a change in that way from him," she told ET on Tuesday, January 26. "But what I do see is my tolerance from afar to understand that he'll be required to be at Kevin's graduation from college, and he'll be required to have better taste than to bring the side piece and the little girl." Kevin Hunter didn't mince words when it came to address the finale of Wendy Williams' show. Williams' ex-husband, who's currently involved in a legal dispute with the production firm of the daytime talk show Debmar Mercury, criticized the final episode as a travesty. "I feel like it's a travesty on the part of Debmar Mercury to have such unceremonious departures without Wendy being involved," he said in a statement to Entertainment Tonight. "It's the first time in history of talk shows for this to be done, especially for a show that's been on for more than 10 years. Hunter, age 50, added, "There's no reason why a bigger celebration involving Wendy couldn't happen." Williams and Hunter have a son named Kevin Hunter Jr., who's now 21. Hunter and his ex-wife co-created the show Wendy together. However, he was sacked from his post as an executive producer just 1 week after she filed for divorce in April 2019. "I know the blood, sweat, and tears that went into making the show a success. I'm not happy with the way the show is going out on a personal level," he continued, "and I'm truly sorry that the show's fans have to see it go down the way that it is." After 13 seasons, the show will end on Friday, according to a spokeswoman for the program who talked with Page 6 earlier in the week. Williams, who's a 57-year-old, did not make an appearance for the farewell homage. Nevertheless, the show did broadcast a video montage of its eponymous host, who has recently had difficulties with her health. The final original episode of the Wendy Williams show will air on Friday, June 17th, with a video tribute to the iconic host. The statement said, "The series ends after 13 successful years in syndication." In March, Hunter filed a lawsuit against Debmar Mercury for wrongful termination. According to the allegations made in the civil case submitted to the federal court in New York City, Hunter was terminated from his position at the production firm based on his married status to Williams. Hunter was one of the reasons behind the Wendy Williams show's tremendous success, and everything seemed to go south after he left. Hunter's attorney, Abe George, told Page 6 in a statement after filing, "Mr. Hunter was unlawfully terminated solely due to his marital status to Wendy, which is contrary to the human rights laws in New York City." A jury trial was requested in Hunter's lawsuit, in which the founders of Debmar Mercury, Ira Bernstein and Warren Marcus, were named as defendants. According to the court paperwork Page 6 was able to get, Hunter is seeking a monetary award of at least $7 million in addition to punitive damages, lost income, and legal fees. Hunter currently resides in Florida with his fiancée Sharina Hudson, with whom he shares a child. The way Debmar meticulously involved themselves in my personal life, they're one to divide and conquer so that they could have access to Wendy and the practices they carried on with, and the way they involved themselves in with me and my ex-wife is deplorable," Hunter shared with ET. And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section down below. I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the following video with some more of the latest updates, and until then, stay tuned.